The first step is to verify the output of your power supply, meaning how much watts your power supply outputs to power up your system. This is important, as we will see later in this video, because most of the videos out there don't mention this, and it's important to know how much wires we need to connect from our power supply to your stereo. The next step is making a complete circuit in the power supply, meaning when we power it on, it turns on, or when we power it off, it turns off. To do this, you have to connect the green wire with one black wire. There's only one green wire from any power supply, so you just have to make some kind of bridge, like I did here as an example. Again, the green with any black wire. Next, as I mentioned earlier, depending on how much watts your power supply outputs, you need to cut from the other Molex cables from your energy source the desired yellow and black wires. As we can see here, I cut 2 yellows and 2 blacks from the 2 Molex cables. Being this 2 blacks and yellows, and I cut also the 2 black and yellow wires from the Molex cable that gives power for the CPU, resulting in all 4 black and yellow wires of this power supply. Next, from your car stereo, you need to interconnect the yellow, red, and if any case you got any other cable, for instance, an orange wire with a fuse on it, you need to wire all of them as one. And all of them going to connect to all of the yellows, the 12 volts wires. And the same thing applies to the black wire coming from your car stereo, or any other component, like a CD player magazine. All of them going to be wired with the blacks, the common ground wires. So, the yellows from the power supply are the 12 volts to be wired with the yellow, red and other battery cable if any, from the car stereo, and all black wires from your car audio system with all blacks of the power supply.